My great-grandfather started off Italian immigrant when he was 14, came over to America and was working in the automobile industry. And then he ended up coming down and working for Higgins and building the landing boats during World War II. And then right after the war, of course, he didn't have work. So he and his guys opened a metal crafts company here in the quarter, doing your regular plating, polishing, all that kind of stuff. And what we did was we were repairing old lights that had fallen off the wall. This is an old London street light, which is actually the oldest design of gas light in the world. And they would import them in from Europe, and they'd be falling apart because they were soldered. Of course, the heat deteriorates lights, so we would rivet them back together. And that was actually my great-grandfather's historic contribution to gas lighting, was riveting them together. So now all of our lights we rivet together by hanging the same way we did in 1945. But they hold up to the elements and to time and to the heat and everything else. Some of the lights that he made in the early or mid-40s are still up and burning today. In 1947, an architect named Hayes Town, who's a very well-known Louisiana architect, came in and drew this light, which is now known as the original French Quarter light. And this light now can be found in 28 countries in all 50 states.